Hello Elaine, here's your clock ready to return. It's come up quite nicely with a polish. Also the perspex glass has been cleaned. I'll just spin the clock around. So regarding the hands, they are the new hands. As I promised, I've tried to get a close as possible fix as possible. I ordered about 3 sets and these were the closest to the originals. Let's just back off a bit, there we go. So just spin it around. As you know, your hinge was completely broken. All I've done here is I've 3D printed this white bar, which has got a pin either end shaped into it, which then locates into the holes top and bottom in the case. So for light use, it will be absolutely fine. But it's not something you open very often. Probably only when the time changes. There's your new movement. You'll notice it's upside down. That was just easy for me to put it in that way because there's a projection inside getting in the way when it was the other way around. I'll send the clock to you with no battery. Put it in on the negative end first, so put the pressure on that end. I suggest lying it down, and then just I'll just take it out from the positive end. So put the pressure on the negative end, push the spring, and then pop the positive end down. And that's it. Thanks very much for sending it to me, and the payment details are in the video. Let me know when you paid, and I'll pop it in the post. Thank you. Cheers, Elaine. Bye.